Need all the profile data fast, first name, last name, company name, school name, headline, one click, and you've got it all. To get that magical extension that saves your time, head to the Chrome Web Store and type magical. It's the first result. 4-star and over 300 review. Not bad. Click add extension, sync in with your Google account or email. Toss in your name and job title if you manage a team or not. Continue, open new tab, pin magical to your toolbar so it's always visible. Click on it to get your 14-day free trial. No credit card traps. You go directly to this simple dashboard with 2 sections, automation and templates. We'll get to this later. So to test it, I'll open a LinkedIn profile and you can imagine that this is one of your clients, or maybe want to copy all this information to Google Sheet, Forms or something similar. Just hit the magical icon and magic happens. Instantly, you've got the name, company name, job title, even LinkedIn URL and all the details that you need. Want the email? Click find email and you will get it if LinkedIn shows it. What about if you want to add a custom info like this 500 connection? Click add new and type it in. If you don't find the label that you want, you can create one and Magical remembers it for every future copy. Or you can choose one as I do. That's uniquely useful. And you can do all that in Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and more. But here is a pain point. If you try to add a label with a clickable link, the browser hijacks the click and opens the link instead. So you can create a label. That's annoying. Magical, fix that in the next update. If you are like me and tired of copy-paste hustle, with just one click transferring data to Google Sheet or any other forms is a breeze. If you are a seller or a part of a support team, this saves you real time. You will find this a total game changer every single day. Now, the real magic, keyboard shortcuts. So, we have these two profiles. One is the Anthony Smith profile and the other is Louis profile. What I want to do is to copy just the full name from each one. All I need to do is to type a / and there we go. All your data pops up ready to use. Need Anthony Smith info? Click and done. Same for Louis and that's it. So let's repeat the process with another profile. Here we go. Click on it, copy info, / and boom, there we have it. Even better, you can change the shortcut in the setting. I swap it to ; because it's faster for me. Save, refresh, type ; and you're set. And if you want to fill out web form in sec, Magical Automation lets you build, map and run workflow once. Then fill any forms with your data. It's truly set and forget. Maps your own labels, location, company, university, etc. Name your automation, save, next time, just pick, run, and it's fill it for you. If you file say blank, it just means there is no data. And templates, even more powerful. To make one, assign a shortcut like a / I for emails. I'll type mine contact@newtools.com, and if you have any ideas or question, feel free to reach out me. And now, just type your shortcut and you can drop your info anywhere instantly. And I'll share with you the top templates that help you improve your productivity in the comments. Ready for sale, support, emailing, whatever you do, just download it, add it, and done. You can edit it however you like. You can add as many labels as you want, job title, company, school, custom one, and when you're finished, just type the shortcut and the templates fill itself automatically. A huge time saver. Now, the most important part, security and privacy. Magical actually has SOC 2 Type 2 complaint, which is excellent for security and ensure that your data is well protected. It also has HIPAA complaint. I'm not expert on this, but when I asked ChatGPT, he told me it's relevant for people working in pharmacy sector and similar files. So it's offer strong security, especially for regulated industries. They use HTTPS, which we all know is great for security, but there is a small catch. They also use TLS 1.2. This isn't the most up-to-date version. as the latest industry standard is TLS 1.3, which is faster and more secure. So Magical, please up to date to the latest version. Alright, let me just check my notes. By the way, I'll share all my notes with you on my blog newtoolsnews.com, so you can check them out there. Oh no, one important thing. At the bottom, there is a tiny fine print that says not to store your private data like credit cards, personal information, or passwords. That's really important, and it should be in the big red letters, not hidden away. Support. So support is where Magical stumbled. I asked their AI assistant named Sam about the link the label bug, and I got a response saying, oops, something went wrong. Then they told me that the support will get back to me on Monday. And this happening on Saturday when I record this video, so if you're really on support, weekends are a bit tricky. Magical? Come on. That's definitely a big mess. So does Magical deliver for info scrapping, autofill, shortcut, forms and sheets? Yes, it does. The extension is stable, saves time, and has a solid security. However, bugs with links, labels, and the lack of weekend support drop it down a bit. So to sum up, Magical get the blue badge, approved. It's work, it saves time, and it's worth adding to your toolbox. If Magical just improves support, it's an easy jump to premium. And if you want the top templates, Magical tutorials, more workflow hacks, or even my personal notes, check out my blog newtoolsnews.com. I post all the best tested tools there. And if you got questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or email me at contact@newtoolsnews.com.